Morning, students. Today's topic is economics. You have to learn about your previous class, civics, geography, history, and your new topic, new book, your new syllabus is economics. What is economics? Economics is the social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of the goods and services. Economics can generally be broken down into two parts: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics, which concentrate on the behavior of the aggregate economy, and the microeconomy, which focuses on the individual consumers and business. Who was the father of our nation? Who was the father of our ancient economics? Adam Smith was an 18th century Scottish man belonged to Scotland. He was economist, philosopher and the author also. He is considered the father of modern economics. Adam Smith is most famous for his 1777 his book Wealth of Nation. Adam was born on 5 June 1723 and his death was 17th July 1790. Smith's ideas the very importance of free market, assembly, line production methods and gross domestic product means GDP form the basis for theories for the classical economic. Economic is the science that concerns itself with the economies that is it studies how societies produce goods and services to how they consume them. It has influenced world finance. Finance means finance at many important junctions throughout history, and it is vital part of our everyday life. And the exceptions that guide this his study of economics have changed dramatically throughout history. However, here we take just a brief look at the history of modern economic thought. Of course, people have been curious about these matters at all times, all over the world. So, what we present is just a narrow snapshot and one that focuses primarily on Western European and the American standouts of economics in the science of his how goods and services are the produced and consumed. Adam Smith used the ideas of French writers to create the thesis on his economics should work, while Karl Marx and the Malthus and the expand on his work, focusing on his scarcity drives economics. Clear, everyone? Now come to the your first chapter, story of village Palampur. Your economics first chapter. Economics first chapter, story of Palampur. I am telling you the summary of lesson. Economics is very important subject for every students. In this chapter I will teach how the production of crops and other non-farming activities takes place in villages. The story also explain the need for the capital and human power for the production of various productions. Students, we will also learn exclusive about the following as well as organization of the production, fixed capital and the working capital, factors of production and type of farming in Palampur. Clear, everyone? The crops are grown and the technique of land. Crops are grown In technique of land, labor land and sustainability and the capital needed non-farming activities, daily transports and the main activities of Palampur is farming. You can see your screen and the story of Palampur, so many factors here and factor of production and farming activity, multi-cropping and save money and borrow money also, land distribution, non-farming, so many activities and so many factors here. Okay, I will explain the next my video. Goodbye.